Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix wireless issues with your device, laptop or PC when you get internet disconnection or internet interruption. So there is no internet or I have limited internet. We need to have, I will give you one solution, one possible solution for this, step by step. So on the Windows search, type Device Manager. Device Manager. Click on Device Manager. Then we go to find network adapters. Click on network adapters here. Network adapters. That's it. And then find your Wi-Fi. This is a Wi-Fi device. So click on it, right click, uninstall device, and install it. You are about to uninstall the device from your system. Delete software and install. And installed. Now shut down. Prefer to shut down then start, better than restart. Shut down your laptop or your PC. Now turn on your PC. Alright, so we go to Device Manager again. We go to Device Manager, type in Device Manager. Click from Control Panel and then go to Network Adapters, expand it. Now you see your new updated latest Wi-Fi device. So try to test your internet, and your internet should works now fine. Once you are connected to internet, again go to Device Manager and check your network adapters. It's there. Click on it and go to click on Action. Scan for hardware changes to make sure you have the latest. So you set the latest one. Close and enjoy surfing internet. Thanks for watching.